Traders are getting into position for big bank earnings coming out this week, and that includes Todd Bubba Horwitz. Hello.
What's up?
Let's take a look at JP Morgan. This is a stock that could go up or not.
It could go up. It could go. Actually, we've got, we're in a very interesting position here. It seems that the markets are all set up and waiting for the earnings season to start in the banking, and of course, tomorrow morning is JP Morgan. And we've had a big buildup going into this from all the things that Trump was going to do, and then the markets have sold off a little bit. There's a lot of expectations here, and I'm not a fan of the financials. I think they've gone a little bit too far, too fast. However, I do think you might see a pop off of the earnings number, and then subsequently maybe a sell-off, because we do have a holiday this week too, so it makes things a little bit different. So what I'm going to do here, what I'm looking to do here is I'm going to go ahead and buy a call option that expires tomorrow, on Thursday, and I'm going to sell a put option that expires on Thursday, but I'm going to go out to June and I'm going to buy a put to be short for the long term. So I'm really looking for I'm looking for a pop off the earnings, and then look for it to resume back in the downtrend, which is now started to develop. And that's what I think is going to be a great chance to play this and participate. And if we get a big enough move, we can get out and own the rest for free.
Now, when you are talking about these stocks, you have to pick a strike price. So
Yes.
What are some of your strike prices on these call and put options?
Great question. The 86 call is like about 50 or 60 cents. So that's what I'm going to buy. I'm going to sell the 84 put, which is like 30 cents. So those give me enough room, and the expectations, the expected move, which can be looked at through volatility, or if you look at the at-the-money straddle, that'll give you the idea of how much it's supposed to move, is about $2. So we're encompassing the short put, plus we have the long call. If we get the $2 expected move to the upside, we can actually finance and pay in full for the June 82.50 put that I'm buying.
So for somebody who's like, wow, that was a lot to take in there.
It is.
Let's take a look at that if you just wanted to own the stock. What do you think about JP Morgan at this level?
I would not. I'm a seller at this level.
Because you think that the financials have gone too far too
I think
fast.
it's a great stock. I think it's a great company. But at this time, I think you want to look for a reasonable pullback to buy it.
Where would you buy it?
Probably 80.
Okay.
So
Thank you so much for coming on the show.
great to be here.